Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 1 from the exercise 2.7 and this is under CBSE Std-7 syllabus. So here we have to find out the product of this division, and one number is decimal number and other number is whole number. If you have any doubt regarding this concept of division of decimal numbers or division of fractions, then please check my lessons based on division of decimals or division of fractions. I have given the link in the description. Then come back to this video. So here 0.4 in division with 2 is there. So first let us convert this both the number into its fraction form. Then it is going to be easy. So let us write these two numbers into its fraction form. So how to convert this number into its fraction form? So 4 in division with 10. Because after decimal point one number is there, so 10. 4 in division with 10. Now division sign, and then let us convert this whole number into its fraction form. We know that in whole number, if there is nothing in its denominator, we can always mention 1 in its denominator, because whole number has 1 in its denominator. Now both the numbers are in its fraction form. So in next step, we are going to convert this division sign into its multiplication sign, and then we are going to convert this second fraction into its reciprocal. We are not converting this first fraction, we are converting only the second fraction into its reciprocal form. So 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So 2 by 1 has become 1 by 2. What two things we have changed? The division sign we have converted into multiplication sign, and this 2 by 1 we have written as 1 by 2. So in turn we have taken the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now reduce this term into its lowest form. So if we can deduct anything, if we can divide anything here, we should do that. So here 2 2s are 4. So here we are going to get 2 in division 10. So now let us write this in its decimal form, that 0.2. 0.2 is its decimal form. So the answer of this division is 0.2. The next is 0.35 in division 5 is there. So let us convert this into its fraction form, that 35 in division 100 is there. Then in division 5, and this is whole number, so in division 1 will be there. Now let us convert this division sign into multiplication sign. So multiplication sign, and then this second fraction we are writing into its reciprocal form. So 5 by 1 has become 1 by 5. Now let us check if we can reduce anything here. So 5 7s are 35. So 7 in denominator 100 is there. So the answer is going to be 0.07. How we have done that? In denominator 100 is there. So we have to cut 2 points. Since here only one number is there, we have added 1 0 so that we can put here decimal point. And before decimal point we have written here 0. Then the next is 2.48 in division 4 is there. So let us convert this into its fraction form, that 248 in division 100 will be there, and in division 4 is a whole number, so we can write 1 in its denominator. Now let us convert this division sign into multiplication sign. So multiply with 4 divided by 1 is there. Now we are taking reciprocal of that. So 4 divided by 1 has become 1 divided by 4. Now let us reduce, if we can reduce anything here. Can we divide 248 with 4? Let us check that. So 248 in division with 4. So 4 6 are 24. So here 0 0 we are taking 8 down. So 8 4 2s are 8. So here 0 remainder. So yes, we can divide with 62. So 4 in multiplication 62, we will get answer 248. Now 62 in division 100 is there. So we are converting this into decimal form. So 0.62 is going to be our answer, because here in denominator 2 zeros are there. So from the right side we have to cut two numbers, that 1 and 2, and here we are going to put decimal point. So the answer from this division is 0.62. Fourth question is 65.4 in division 6 is there. So let us convert this into its fraction form, that 654 in division 10 is there, and with division 6 in denominator 1 will be there, because this is a whole number and we can always write 1 in denominator of whole number. Now 654 in division with 10. Now we are converting this division sign into multiplication sign, and this second fraction we are writing its reciprocal. So 6 divided by 1 will become 1 divided by 6. So two changes we have done at this step, that division sign we have converted into multiplication sign, and this second fraction we have taken the reciprocal of that. Now let us check if we can reduce anything here. So if we can divide 654 with 6, let us check that 654 in division with 6. So 6 ones are 6, 0 here, 5, we cannot divide 5, so we are going to put here 0, and then we are going to take it down 4, 54. So yes, 6 9s are 54. So here we are going to get 0, 0. So when we will multiply 109 with 6, we will get 654. So 6 109s are 654. So answer is 109 in division 10 is there. So now let us cut 1 point from the right side. So answer is going to be 10.9. As we are writing this fraction into its decimal point, we got answer that 10.9. Fifth numerical is 651.2 in division 4. So 651 and then 2 in division 10 is there, because after decimal point one number is there. In division 4 and into that division 1 will be there. Into its denominator 1 will be there, because this is a whole number and we can always write 1 in denominators of whole number. Now we have to change two things. That first we will change the sign, that we are converting division sign into multiplication sign, and this fraction we are converting it into its reciprocal. So 4 by 1 has become 1 divided by 4. Now we have to check that whether this number we can divide with 4 or not. So 6, 5, 1, 2 in division with 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2, 5. Now 25 is there. So 6 4s are 24. So 1 is going to be our remainder. Then we are taking down 1 again. Then 11. 4 2s are 8. So here we are going to get 3. And then we are going to take down 2. So again 4 8s are 32. So here we are going to get remainder 0. So we can divide 6 5 1 2 with 1 6 2 8 when we are dividing with 4. So here 4 1 6 2 8, when we will divide this 2 with 4 we will get 6 5 1 2. So here answer is 1 6 2 8 in division 10. Now we have to cut 1 point from the right side. So answer is going to be 162.8, because in denominator 10 is there. So here this is a division, what we got the answer as 1628, and then in denominator of that 10 was there, so we have cut 1 point from the right side. The next numerical is 14.49 in division with 7. So let us convert this into its fraction form. So 1449 in division 100 will be there, because after decimal point there are two numbers. Then division and 7 will be there. This is whole number, so we can write 1 into its denominator. So 1449 in division 100. Now change this division sign into multiplication, and then next fraction we are changing it to its reciprocal. So 7 by 1 has become 1 by 7. Now we have to check that whether we can divide this number with 7 or not. So yes, we can divide this, that 7 2s are 14, then 4 we cannot divide. So we are going to put here 0 and then 49. So 7 7s are 49. So 207 in division with 100 is there. So answer is going to be 2.07. Since we have to cut 2 points from the right side, that 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, and here answer is 2.07. Seventh numerical is 3.96 in division 4 is there. So here 396 in division 100, because after decimal point there are two numbers, so in denominator 100. In division 4, so in whole numbers denominator 1 will be there. Now we are converting this division sign into multiplication sign, and this second fractions we are taking reciprocal. So 4 by 1 will become 1 divided by 4. Now let us check if we can divide this number with 4. So 396 in division with 4. So 4 9s are 36. Remaining is 3. We are taking 6 down. So yes, again 9. So 36. So we will get here 0 0. So with 99 we can divide this number. So 4 99s are 396. So 99 in division 100 is there. Now from the right side we have to cut two numbers. So 1 and 2. Decimal point and then a 0. So 0.99 is going to be the answer. Eighth numerical is 0.80 in division 5 is there. So here 80 in division we are going to write 100, and then in division 5 and in its denominator 1 will be there. 80 in denominator 100, then division sign we are converting into multiplication sign, and second fraction we are converting it into its reciprocal. So now we'll multiply with 16, then we will get 80. So 16 in division 100 is there. So from the right side we have to count two numbers, that 6 and 1, and here we are going to put decimal point and we will put one more 0. So 0.16 is going to be the answer from this division.